Hey everyone, I'm Will, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 3-mushroom blend hot chocolate. But before that, remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and don't forget to press that notification bell down below. To start this hot chocolate, we need to start making with a tea. So you need 0.5 grams of reishi mushroom, 1 gram of dandelion root, 1 gram of burdock root, 1 gram of sarsaparilla root. Then add 1.5 cups of about 180 degree water to a 1 pint jar. The 180 degrees is the best temperature to make hot chocolate, teas, or coffee. And let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. While the tea part is steeping, you can combine together the parts where it's going to make it more like an actual hot chocolate. So you're going to want 0.5 grams of ground chaga powder into a mug that you're going to drink from. 1 gram of cordyceps. 1 gram of spirulina. 5 grams of cocoa powder. And to make this a keto drink for all those keto people on that keto diet, 5 grams of Elias sweetener. And then just shake it around. You can use a spoon if you want to, a wooden spoon, because the metal will actually correlate a chemical reaction to it. So you can stir it around, and it will all suddenly mix just real quick. When it's all blended together, it will look like this. All one color, mostly looks just like cocoa powder. Now it's been about 15 minutes, and the coloration of the tea has actually changed color. Let's smell it. And I definitely smell the bitters kind of coming forth in there. I definitely smell the sarsaparilla deep in there, but not so much of the reishi mushroom. And a really cool trick and hack to filter out all the solids is take a coffee filter, or if you don't have a coffee filter, paper towel. Take the lid out of the ring, and take the ring, stick that on top, poke a hole, and pour right into your drink, like mug that you're drinking from, and you can save the grounds or even the chunks of the roots and mushrooms and throw that in your compost, because deep down inside there's still nutrients in there that can help and improve your plants with your compost. So just pour it right in, and you don't want to pour out the hole that you just made. That hole is to release pressure that the stream of the tea that you're pouring into making your hot chocolate does not stop, because it can stop with the pressure that you don't have the hole. There's going to be a little bit of liquid left in the bottom, but that's fine. That'll actually add to your compost of that nutrients that's deep down of all those vitamins and minerals that will boost your plants of your tomatoes, your potatoes, and your beans. Will love this. And then take a wooden spoon and stir it up. Just by looking at it, I can definitely see a little greenish blue coloration to it from the spirulina. Looks cool. And let's smell it all together. Definitely smell the spirulina, and the cocoa is definitely coming forth. Let's try. Very subtle. There is a bit of some bitters, but not like a big deep mushroom flavor. I don't really even taste that. So if you're not big on that mushroom flavor, This is good to get that nutrients that you really need deep down inside. And also, burdock has, like, we're built of 102 different vitamins and minerals, and burdock has all of those minerals. So if you consume burdock every day, you're going to keep a balance in your whole entire body to keep yourself happier every single day. And this, every single morning, will wake you up and make you even more balanced than even before. And also, you can do this with also a little bit of coffee. You don't want too much of coffee to get the caffeine buzz, but just a little bit of coffee instead of the cocoa powder, and you will be in the right point of mind of having that balance of nutrition that you need. This is good. Very subtle. Not a big giant like sweetness kind of thing. I did put a little tiny bit of the Elias in it, but not too like overwhelming. The Elias is more for because your body cannot. What Elias is like your body cannot really even digest it. It is 10 times less calories than sugar. Sugar is 4 calories per gram, while Elias is 0.4 calories per gram. And Elias, because your body cannot really even digest it, your body is going to burn more calories than actually digesting the Elias. So this not just boosts your immune system, wakes you up, but also burns calories. If you want to make any of the teas and this hot chocolate that I have done of these videos, go down in the description, click the link to my website, and you can get any of the different types of teas like burdock root, curly dock root, or yellow dock root is another name, dandelion root, any of the different teas that you need to boost your immune system to get to a healthier point of yourself. And also on my website, if you want to start gardening and you live in the city, I have a starter pack on apartment gardening. It's all what you need on the easiest starter point to gardening in an apartment or even in a condo. But if you have some land, I have a starter pack for gardening, and if you're getting into foraging, I have a starter pack on my website also for foraging for plants and mushrooms of what you need of all the gear and books to get you out in the woods and outside. And that's how you make the perfect 3 mushroom blend hot chocolate. If you want to see more, go down in the description below, click the link to my channel, or press the round subscribe button to help me out to get to 10,000 subscribers. And until next time, remember to get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See ya.